Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Samsung Galaxy M14, and now I'm gonna show you how to set caller ID announcement on this device. So firstly, just open the phone application, then click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen, then click Settings, scroll down and find here Answering and Ending Calls. Then choose Read caller names aloud, but not don't click on this tumbler button, but click on the text. In this way, here you need to activate this feature and choose when you want to allow when you want to announce your caller's ID, when you are listening to music in Bluetooth headphones or in normal headphones, for example, or always. So I, for example, don't want to announce for everyone who calls me. I just want to hear who calls me, and in this way I will use over Bluetooth headphones only. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.